To create beautiful presentations using AI, a helpful tool can be utilized, allowing users to generate stunning presentations with just one phrase. For instance, a pitch deck for building a colony on Mars can be created, showcasing the tool's capabilities. This tool offers a great way to simplify the presentation-making process. The pricing plans for this tool include a completely free plan, which costs $0 per month and provides 400 iCredits at sign-up. Unlimited users and access, PDF and PPT export to PowerPoint, and basic analytics for 7 days. However, to remove the tool's badge from the presentation, a paid plan of $8 per month is required. To get started, users can sign up for free and create a workspace. They will be asked how they plan to use the tool, and then they can choose from various options, such as creating a presentation, document, or web page. For creating a presentation, users can select the number of cards they want, with a maximum of 10 cards in the free plan. They can also choose their language. With multiple options available, the tool provides examples of presentation topics, such as the history of UFOs or how to brew the perfect cup of espresso. Users can input their own topic, and the tool will generate an outline for the presentation. This outline can be customized by adding or removing cards, changing the order, and selecting the amount of text per card. Users can choose an image source, either from web images or AI-generated images, and select the image license type. The tool will then create the presentation, complete with images, text, and titles. The presentation can be edited by clicking on the text and typing in the desired changes. The tool also allows users to add more cards, either blank or generated by AI, and to upload images or create AI-generated images. These images can be added to the presentation and customized as needed. The final presentation can be presented immediately, and the theme can be changed easily. Overall, this tool provides a simple and efficient way to create beautiful presentations using AI, making it a great resource for those looking to streamline their presentation-making process.